Meet the GoPro, not just a camera, your ticket to capturing life when it's moving way too fast for anything else. Waterproof? Of course. Rugged? Absolutely. If your phone cries at the first drop of rain, this little cube is basically laughing at a waterfall. Stabilization's so smooth you'd think the laws of physics signed a non-disclosure agreement. Your footage looks cinematic, even when your ride feels chaotic. Mount it anywhere. Helmet, chest, surfboard, maybe even your dog, though results may vary depending on cooperation levels. Time-lapse, slow-mo, 4K, 5K. GoPro doesn't just film what you see, it shows you what you didn't even realize you were missing. So whether you're skydiving at 15,000 feet or just chasing the kids around the yard, the GoPro makes every moment look epic. Small camera, big story. Ready to capture your own adventure? Link below.